Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a 2.4G wireless controller to a TV. First, find your USB receiver that comes with your controller. Most 2.4G controllers connect through this small USB dialogue. Now, plug the USB receiver into a USB port on your TV. Most smart TV have USB port on the side or back. Press the power button on your controller, then lightning will turn on or start blinking. This means it's connecting to the USB receiver. Wait for automatic pairing. Most 2.4G controllers automatically pair. Wait a few seconds until the controller light stops blinking. Now it should connect it to your TV or laptop. Use the joystick to move around the TV menu or open a game. Cursor moves, your control is working. If it doesn't connect, turn the controller off and on again. If you can also unplug and reset the USB receiver. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.